Category 1 includes families who are currently on a relocation notice to a new duty station, or PCS. If the average service member only stays at a given base for approximately 3 years, then at any given time there are over 2,000 service member families currently executing a move to a new duty station. Our primary market, Joint Base Lewis McChord, for example, shows an average of 250 families incoming to the base each month. Category 2 includes families that already live in on-base housing but want to move off-base. The truth is, the vast majority will tell you that on-base housing is terrible, and I would agree with them. After their first year of living on base, many military families will attempt to move off-base. Category 3 includes families that already have permanent housing but need to upsize or downsize. There's one connecting thread in military families. They are always growing and changing. These families either currently live on base or rent off base. They are looking for a housing opportunity that better suits their needs.